Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a gaming review of the Samsung Galaxy A10s. And this phone comes with a MediaTek Helio P22 processor with a 2GB RAM. It means that the RAM measurement inside of this phone is really bad. You watch my speed test, then you realize that RAM measurement is very bad on this phone. This phone comes with a dual cameras on the back instead of a ultra wide. This phone comes with a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and the screen is having a 6.2 inch 720p TFT panel. I don't know what is the difference between the LCD versus a TFT panel. In this video I'm gonna show you how this phone is perform in gaming wise. So I'm gonna show you the Asphalt 8 because Asphalt 9 is not available in this phone. Let me show you. And guys, and you can see I search Asphalt 9 on Google Play Store, and you can see Asphalt 9 is not available in this phone. I cannot see the Asphalt 9, so I'm gonna show you. I notice huge lag in this UI. It is a One UI 1.1. Let me show you. Let's go to the software information, and you can see it is a One UI core with a Android 9 Pie. I'm gonna show you 4 games in this phone: Asphalt 8 and Marvel Future Fight. Subway Surfer Last is having the Temper Run 2, and I am using this game as a low in the graphics compared to the Asphalt 8 and Marvel Future Fight. So let's launch the Asphalt 8 and show you the performance. And let's show you the performance. This phone is not comes with a Super AMOLED display, but still the colors are good, decent in this price range. And in the start I noticed some lags, and you can see, and the game is not very smooth in this phone because this phone is very laggy right now. But I hope after some updates this phone is perform good. And you can see very lags in this phone. And again, I do not recommend this phone for gaming. And if you want to play the high-end game like the PUBG, you can notice very big lags in default settings. And guys, you can see that the gaming performance in this phone is really bad. You can notice big lags as well as the frame drops in this phone. So let's play the Marvel Future Fights in high settings, so how this phone will perform in this game. Okay guys, I launched the game, and you can see and the graphics and the performance settings I set on high. So let's play the level. So let's play. And you can see in the start there is some lags, and you can see, and the game is completely freeze. And you can see, and my phone is working but the game is completely freeze. Okay guys, let's show you the medium graphics and the performance settings in this phone. And you can see, and the graphics is I set on the medium. Let's play the level again. Let's play. This time let's see the game is freeze or not. Now again I noticed very big and large lags and the frame drops as well. And you can see, and the gaming performance is really bad in this phone. So let's show you the Subway Surfer, and it is not a very heavy game as the Marvel Future Fight as well as a Asphalt 9. So let's see how the phone is perform in this game. Guys, if you want to play some lighter games as the Subway Surfer and Temple Run 2, I definitely recommend this phone. And you can see game is looking very smooth right now, no lag I noticed in this game. And you can see and guys, I don't notice any heating issue in this phone, and the temperature of the A10s is average, not very hot phone while gaming. Let's see the Temper Run 2. And you can see no lag in this game. And the processor inside the A10s is not very good for gaming. And you can see I do not notice lags while using this phone in this game. And guys, and you can see and the gaming performance in lower games is very good, but the higher games like Asphalt 8, Asphalt 9 and Marvel Future Fight, as well as the PUBG, I can tell you that if you want to play the PUBG in default settings, you can notice lags as well as frame drops, and I don't recommend this phone for gaming. If you want a Samsung phone in this price range that comes with a bigger battery and fingerprint scanner, bigger display, and you want also play some lighter games on a phone, then this phone is for you. And the performance wise, this phone is really bad, but if you use this phone for daily tasks like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, then this phone is for you. So thank you so much for watching this gaming review of the Samsung Galaxy A10s. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos and follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.